When you think of iconic American muscle car engines, names like the Chevrolet Corvette's V8, the Dodge HEMI, and the Mustang 5.0-liter V8 immediately come to mind. These engines are all known for their power, raw performance, and status in the automotive world. But what if I told you about an engine that Ford managed to design, engineer, and build in just 90 days? Yes, 90 days! This rapid development was indeed a remarkable feat, leading to the engine's nickname, the 90-Day Wonder. This engine that Ford built quickly became one of the most iconic and legendary engines of its time. Yes, I'm talking about the 427 SOHC Cammer, an engine that set a new standard for performance and innovation in the 1960s, all while facing tight deadlines and extreme pressure to deliver. The 427 Cammer wasn't just a high-performance engine, it was an engineering marvel that had the potential to change the landscape of racing and production cars. But the real story behind this powerhouse is the remarkable speed at which it was produced, the challenges Ford faced in developing it, and the lasting impact it left on motorsports and Ford's high-performance legacy. In this video, I'm going to take you through the creation of the 427 Cammer, its revolutionary design, and how Ford built it in just 90 days. And I'll also show you how this engine went on to make its mark in motorsports, production cars, and automotive history. But before we dive into all of that, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. During the beginning of the 1960s, Ford already operated with experience with the production of their high-performance vehicles. The company owned the market with its 427 FE V8 engine, which operated in both high-performance cars and racing vehicles. The proven Ford engine lineup did not protect the company from intense market competition. Ford faced innovation pressure to stay competitive because Chrysler launched the HEMI engine, with racing enthusiasts prioritizing stronger power and performance. For Ford to maintain its leading position in the market, they required engines beyond size and performance capacity while becoming more efficient. The team of Ford engineers worked on multiple designs, although they found no acceptable resolution to existing parameters. The engineers required an engine to dominate both the HEMI engine and every other available engine in the market. Ford dedicated itself to designing the exceptional 427 SOHC Cammer. Again, against all the traditional engine designs that were prevalent at that time, Ford engineers adopted a fully distinct approach for their motor development. The SOHC engine design permitted improved airflow and higher RPM capabilities because it employed an overhead camshaft with single operation. This configuration delivered enhanced performance attributes. The time restriction for this project proved equally astonishing because Ford had only 90 days to design the engine and produce it, in addition to conducting extensive tests. Yes, 90 days. Development of this famous V8 powertrain required Ford engineers exactly 90 days to finish creating what would become deemed as one of the most legendary performance engines in automotive history. The 427 Cammer was more than just an engine upgrade, because Ford engineers created a thorough redesign which eliminated all understanding of their previous engine performance concepts. The FE 427 block established a firm basis, yet the true power came from designing heads with a valve-train system. The Ford engineering team developed a distinctive engine setup because they required their product to achieve higher engine speed while maximizing airflow and power output compared to competitive race cars. Single overhead camshaft, or SOHC, design emerged as a crucial change in the production process. The usual engine design available at the time needed redundant rocker arms for operation, which hampered the high RPM performance. With the SOHC design placed above the cylinder heads, Ford achieved better valve opening and closing mechanics, which improved airflow and enabled higher RPM operations suitable for street usage as well as racing competition. Engineers redesigned the head by enlarging the valves to improve both intake and exhaust airflow, which led to better combustion results. The engine's power generation at high engine speed became possible because of this important design element. Ford rated the engine at 616 horsepower at 7,000 RPM with a single 4-barrel carburetor and 657 horsepower at 7,500 RPM with dual 4-barrel carburetors. These figures were impressive for the era, and they contributed to the engine's legendary status. The development process incidentally required Ford engineers to confirm the engine's capability to endure racing pressures. Engine designs at Ford built the 427 Camry through lightweight and durable designs with both robust materials and innovative construction techniques to withstand its high-powered capability. But what's even more impressive is how quickly Ford was able to get everything done. In just 90 days, they went from a blueprint to a prototype, an incredible achievement in engineering that demonstrated the team's ingenuity and dedication to performance. After the full completion of the 427 Camry engine design, the Ford engineers rushed to test its track capabilities. At the beginning, Ford declared it would use its engine to conquer NASCAR and drag racing events while demonstrating superior engineering performance over all other road vehicles. Through its distinctive design features, the Camry already established leadership over competitors, so Ford intended to use its superior performance advantages to gain dominance in motorsport competition. The 427 Camry immediately positioned itself to be a dominant competitor in the racing world. After Ford initiated the NASCAR launch of the motor, it experienced rapid success as a dependable power source in the sport. The Camry thrived in high RPM zones with its exceptional power output to control various racing scenarios. The engine's ability to provide continuous powerful speed drew attention to Ford's achievement of creating a truly original product. The Camry engine's dominance led to Ford securing an initial advantage against other NASCAR competitors. Soon, after topping all of its competitors, the Camry engine started winning championships, which solidified Ford's position as a major competitor and secured its position as a revolutionary power plant. NASCAR's regulations at the time required engines to be available in production vehicles to qualify for competition. Since the 427 SOHC was not mass-produced in consumer cars, it did not meet NASCAR's homologation requirements, leading to its exclusion from NASCAR events. This ruling was a major blow to Ford's NASCAR programs, but the engine still thrived in other motorsports competitions. When NASCAR restricted the 427 Camry, the engine transitioned into drag racing competition because its fast revving characteristics, together with its potent horsepower output, suited drag racing conditions. Racers at the strip tracks immediately adopted the Camry as their new engine choice because it helped them improve their start times while breaking numerous speed records. Both the engine's outstanding reliability features and its powerful natural characteristics earned it the admiration of competitive racing enthusiasts. The Camry engine seized control of the drag racing competition by setting multiple record-breaking feats that solidified its position in American motorsports history. The drag racing environment became a perfect match for the Camry when its drag racing performance confirmed that its high-revving design and outstanding capabilities extended beyond NASCAR competitions. After NASCAR restricted the 427 Camry, the engine still showed its worth on racing tracks. Aside from its successful start in motorsports, the Camry earned legendary status through Ford's engineering achievements that transformed performance engine technology. The Camry engine stands as an enduring symbol in American racing history because of its iconic status and enduring legacy of performance excellence at Ford. Engineers at Ford noticed early on that the 427 Camry offered immense potential to become a production vehicle after its initial design work for racing events. The Camry delivered superior performance on every level because its design made it both track-capable and street-ready. Research was conducted to verify whether the 427 Camry engine could become available for high-performance production versions of Ford Galaxies, which had previously gained popularity because of their robust performance characteristics. The Camry remained prohibited from NASCAR competition because of its advanced engineering capability, but Ford believed the engine would deliver strong results when applied to customer performance vehicles. The company made the 427 Camry engine available for car owners to install in their vehicles. As one of the most recognizable Ford Galaxy models from 1966, the incorporation of the 427 Camry engine turned this car into an exceptional performance machine. The limited availability of the engine and the fact that it was available through the parts network made the combination of power and performance characteristics incredibly desirable. These vehicles became a significant demonstration piece of Ford's engineering advancement by blending motorsports technologies with streetcar design characteristics. The motor showed Ford's capability to develop an engine that achieved complete motorsport supremacy and delivered production vehicle performance excellence. The rare Ford Camry-powered automobiles have turned into sought-after classic car collectibles, solidifying their entrance into Ford's prestigious performance heritage. Though the 427 Camry had a relatively short life in both racing and production, its legacy remains incredibly strong and influential. The engine's development, completed in an astonishing 90 days, stands as a true testament to Ford's engineering innovation and their remarkable ability to push the boundaries of what was possible in automotive design during the 1960s. The Camry was ahead of its time, embodying the cutting-edge engineering principles that would shape the future of Ford's performance vehicles. Its advanced design paved the way for future legendary engines, directly influencing models like the Ford GT40 and the Mustang GT, both of which went on to become icons in the world of motorsports and high-performance street cars. Despite its limited time on the track and never being mass-produced for street cars, the 427 Camry continues to be regarded as one of the most legendary engines in automotive history. It remains a symbol of Ford's unwavering commitment to performance, and it inspired countless engineers, car enthusiasts, and manufacturers alike to strive for excellence. Today, the 427 Camry is revered by car collectors and racing historians, and its rarity, combined with its performance capabilities, makes it highly sought after. Examples of the engine now fetch incredible prices at auctions, attesting to its legendary status. The Camry's legacy lives on in the high-end performance Ford vehicles of today, and it will always be remembered as a masterpiece of automotive engineering that set the standard for what is possible when innovation and performance come together. The 427 Camry was a game-changing engine that not only pushed the boundaries of engineering and performance, but also demonstrated Ford's ability to create a powerhouse capable of dominating the racing world. Built in an astonishing 90 days, the Camry proved that Ford could not only compete, but lead in high-performance technology. Though its racing career was abruptly cut short due to the homologation rules by NASCAR, the Camry remains one of the most iconic engines ever built, still revered by automotive enthusiasts and collectors today. 427 Camry is much more than just a piece of Ford's history. It symbolizes what can be achieved when engineers and designers come together with a shared vision and an unwavering commitment to excellence. This engine is a powerful reminder of the transformative impact of innovation on an entire industry, and it continues to inspire those who push the limits of what is possible in automotive engineering. Its legacy stands as a testament to Ford's ongoing pursuit of performance and perfection. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. So until next time, be safe out there.